Toyota's adaptive cruise control is now standard equipment on most 2024 and 2025 Toyota models through the Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 system. The system uses advanced sensor technology, including a millimeter wave radar sensor located behind the front grille and a monocular camera mounted near the rearview mirror. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts your vehicle's speed to maintain a safe following distance from the car ahead, integrating seamlessly with your Toyota's braking and throttle systems. Recent enhancements to Toyota's system include improved artificial intelligence recognition for pedestrians, cyclists, and motorcycles, plus new features like curve speed management and enhanced stop-and-go traffic performance. This advanced system integrates with Toyota's other safety features, including pre-collision system and lane departure alert, creating a comprehensive safety network that enhances your driving experience. To use Toyota's adaptive cruise control, first locate the cruise control stalk on the right side of your steering wheel. Press the cruise button to activate the system. You'll see a dashboard indicator light illuminate, confirming the system is ready. Accelerate to your desired speed with a minimum of 25 miles per hour in most Toyota models. Then push the stalk down or press Set to engage the system. Adjust your following distance using the Distance button. Toyota provides 4 settings: short, medium, long, and extra long to match your driving preferences. To turn off ACC, you have several options. Press the brake pedal for temporary disengagement, press Cancel to disengage but keep the system ready, or press Cruise again to completely turn off the system. Remember these key steps. Locate the cruise control stalk, press Cruise to activate, set your speed above 25 miles per hour, adjust following distance as needed, and use Brake, Cancel, or Cruise button again to turn off the system.